Hey YouTube friends and fans, just bringing you a short little video here on how to use a set of relays to reverse polarity on an actuator, switch, whatever you want to run, two different directions that's DC. So stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alrighty, so what I have here is a mock-up for a motor that'll spin two different directions. There's the relays, here's my switch, and there's another switch just for the fun of it. So hopefully I can set this all correctly here so you can see all of it. So what I've got, it's gonna be a little tough to see, but you've got pin 86 on the side and pin 87 in the top. All get power on both sets of relays. Then 85 is going to be on the opposite side here, which is my black wire. Those come to the switch, and those are dictated by the yellow leads I have here. Then your bottom one is your power out going to your motor. Those are my two yellows over here. And the center relay, red wire coming out of the center, that's pin 87A. That is your ground wire. You can see I've got that bad boy connected right there. It runs over. My ground on, I'm running this off a battery charger here. An old-fashioned guy. It's got 6 volt and 12. So, let me give this guy some power and let's watch it happen. Just like that. Now obviously this is not a momentary switch. Let me shut it down, we'll make it momentary. So, again, my yellows going off of pin 85 go to the switch. I only need one of these grounds so I can get rid of the white one here. The next switch is actually set up correctly. I'm pretty sure the center pin and 2 exterior outer pins. There you have it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, comment. Need help? I'll leave a phone number in the bottom for contact, or you can email, whatever you want to do. Glad to help. Take care, friends.